Graphic designing trends 2024. Knowing a graphic designing trends is really important for any designers. It makes you look professional, and keeping up with the trends gives you confidence to grow in your career. Let's see cool graphic designing trends for this year. You're watching Graphic Vibe. Let's start the video. Neo-Brutalism. It regards to traditional layout designs with large blocks of text used to read, and also high contrasting colors with a minimal style designs. Y2K evolution. You guys might have known the liquid style typography designs and 3D holograms, shiny elements used in it. You can say that early 2000s are coming back with this style of designs, which also goes with the current modern trend. Maximalism, which are these kind of designs with more vibrant colors used. It's totally opposite to the minimal style design. An explosion of creativity with bold patterns. Also, it goes with the old school graphic design style. It's also used for packaging designs nowadays. Retro vintage. This trend of graphic design is from early 1980s, like advertising styles for Nike brands and also for other big brands. I know there are a lot of fans of this retro vintage designs because it looks cool and also it suits for modern generation. Finally, artificial surrealism. Of course, this trend is driven by the AI. It's already a trend now. Lots of bigger brands are using this trend. Organic shapes merge with artificial elements and producing great extraordinary visuals. But I personally think AI is not giving a good designs. It's just producing eye-catchy and unrealistic visuals. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite trend. I'll see you again in another graphic designing content.